Hey guys, for in this video I want to do the review of the Android Aicp project ROM here, 4.4 KitKat for the Google Nexus 5, as you can see. So let's check it out here in the settings, and I'm by the way using the LG3 theme here, which I will make a separate video about that. So as you can see, this is the AICP version. So I was using a older version of this ROM, then I got the OTA update. So if you have some older version of the AICP ROM installed on your device, then you can update it via over the air, and they have good servers, and you can install it manually by going to the CWM recovery or TWRP, whatever recovery you have, and install it from there. It's based on the latest version of the Android 4.4.4 KitKat. Also we have here, so all the basic stuff like camera and or other things works great. We have the Google camera here. Everything works great, video recording, and of course if you are using Nexus device and you're sure, because for Nexus all the basic stuff works, so no problems in the basic stuff here. So I got installed a lot of apps. I don't have any kind of problems with that too. So this ROM comes with a lot of options, a lot of tweaks, and here we have some few options here, few quick toggles. And in the settings we have the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and some general options here. Let's just zoom in here. So some general options, and now here we have the ROM control. Now in ROM control you get a lot of options here. General option, we have recent ROM and stuff, lock screen options, and we have some status bar options. You can enable double tap to sleep option, which works pretty great. And also lock screen is just like a normal one. And also we have here clock settings. You can set it to the center if you like, or you can change the clock color, show the signals text. Also then we have here the toggles. Toggles, you can enable it and disable it. Quick toggles over here, you can add whatever you want. You can also delete one. Then we have here hardware keys. You can have some custom, you can say custom actions for certain hardware buttons here on the bottom. Now this ROM actually comes with the Android L buttons there. That I'm actually using the LG3 theme here. That's why I have the LG3 buttons here, the grayish theme back here in these buttons here, grayish wallpaper like stuff on the back. Then we have here the navigation bar. We have these keys over here, you can change it. Then we have sound, you can adjust some sound stuff here. Then we have some installer options. Then we have here ribbons, some new notification stuff you can check out. And then we have the animation. You can change the animation of moving from app drawer to apps and closing the apps and going back, all kind of stuff. Now here we have the Aicp Extras. Now we have the Omni switch, and you can use it for the recent RAM. If you don't like this stuff, then you can use the Omni switch, but I don't prefer it. We have the Halo option. You can enable Halo notifications. And as you can see, like this, you can hold it, swipe on left eye. A lot of kind of options for the Halo. Also we have display and animation. We have the recent clear all button positioned. As you can see, we have this cross, a lot of options over here. Then we have the power menu. You can have the options of power menu. You can edit, which we have here, a lot of one, even screen recorder. And also a lot of options over here. Then we have the slider shortcuts. I can add some custom options here other than unlocking the device. I can add some more like context and quick messaging options here. Here we have the active notification, some active notification. When you are playing game, the notification will gonna appear on the top, and you can quickly reply to it without even closing the game. Now that's a good feature here. Now we have the driving mode. If you are driving, you can enable this mode here. And then we can also change the tile colors. We have the app bar. You can enable the app bar. As you can see here, we have the app bar now. The trigger position of this stuff here you can check out. Then we have the connection manager, change a lot of options, connection options here. Then we have the kernel tweaker. Now kernel tweaker will not gonna allow you to overclock, but it can allow you to downclock your frequency if you want more battery life. And also we have the kernel specific options here. You can change the I/O schedule. You can also enable fast charging if you want to charge your device faster. You can also double tap to wake your device, just like an LG G3. Sweep to wake your device, and also you can change the vibration intensity of your device. You can enter any number and it's going to be your intensity. So I also have the low memory killer. You can set something like if in the background there is like you can set a certain amount of size, and after setting that size, and no more memory will gonna be taken up in the background. Like I have set foreground application here 48 MB. I can decrease it 37 MB. Now we'll get more and more RAM. This is kind of some very extreme stuff over here. So also we have virtual machine option over here. Again, a lot of changing of the numbers here. You can mess it up. Also we have some recovery action. You can also change build prop. We have some settings here. A lot of stuff here. Okay, now you can also change the weather with the weather options. Then we have here system app remover and AICP OTA. Wake lock blocker here is another option to block the wake lock. And so there's a ton of more options in this ROM. Then comes this dark AICP. When enabled, you will get some darker screen. Then we also have the theme here. So theme is definitely the best, my best feature that I like about this custom ROMs nowadays, because this new theme engine is amazing. You can download themes and then apply it from here. As you can see, I have Samsung Galaxy S5 theme here. I've downloaded, and I can even have the boot animation of the Galaxy S5. So I'll be making two separate videos about these two themes. We'll be explaining that in a separate video to how to apply it and all kind of stuff. So also we have the display here, a lot of options over here in the display. Change the battery light color and the notification light color, which is again extremely awesome thing to do. Also we have here the battery options. Then we have the sound options here. Change the vibration intensity here, which is extremely good option. Then we have some general option here. So I can't use the Franco kernel with this ROM. The only kernel that I can use with this ROM is the Code Blue kernel. Now Code Blue kernel is a battery life kernel. You cannot actually get good performance in terms of gaming out of your phone when you are using that kernel. So I'm sticking with the default one here with this ROM. So yes, so a quick little video here, quick review of the AICP and our AICP project ROM here for the Google Nexus 5. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more to come. And also check out my channel for how to install this ROM here. All the links will be given in that video's description, so make sure you check out, and I'll see you next one. Peace.